What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we're gonna do today is do a quick recap on Friday's session, and then we're gonna jump right into Monday's game plan. Let's go ahead and jump right into our first one, and it's gonna be Palantir. Palantir opened up, boom, jumped up to 27.33, and they came back down, played with VWAP, and then the Bears took control. Boom, dropped that thing all the way down to 26.78. They chopped a little bit, and as you see, we came down here, and if you follow that three-step process, the break over the 9 EMA, the hold, the next candle, the entry, and you slowly went up. Boom, went up to 27.24. Bears smack it back down, but then they brought it right back up. Palantir end up ending at 27.18 for bulls. I want to see a break and hold at 27.25. If the bulls can break and hold 27.25, they can start going up. For the downside, I want to see 26.90 get taken out. They can take out 26.90. They can start pushing to lower stuff. Your next shelf down after the break at 26.90 comes in at 26.75. They break that level right there. They going for the home run at 26.54. They can get through 26.54. They're going to try to run this thing all the way back down to my level at 25.55. Don't jump in the first green candle you see. Don't jump in the first red candle you see. You wait for confirmation in these plays right here, and it'll get you there. No FOMOing. Let's go ahead and jump into our next play, and these are plays for you beginners out there. The newbies, the beginner, the ones that don't want to spend all that money on SPY and Tesla. We're going to give y'all some bangers that ain't going to break the bank. Hut's been paying pretty good. As you see, man, if you caught this Hut move, you made some money. Hut faked everybody out at opening. Boom, they jumped up, made you think that they was gonna run. 16.51. I had a level out there that if they couldn't break that level, they were coming back down, and they got smacked at 16.50, and they came all the way back down to 15.91. Bulls ran that thing back up to make you think that they were gonna take off. But man, look at that bearish candle right there. Boom, that thing ran down. Bulls tried to get back in it. They tested VWAP, and I tell you, if you keep getting rejected off of VWAP, it's coming down. It's going to be a long day. And you see, boom, that thing ran down to 15.62. Got that little run back up, but you see what happened again? What's this on the chart? That blue line, that is VWAP. You can't make it past VWAP, you coming back down. And that's exactly what happened. Rejected at VWAP, boom. Look at this. And then you see that yellow line. That's my 9 EMA. If we're trending up under that 9 EMA, you're going to keep going down. And that's exactly what happened. They kept going down. Boom. We're sitting at 15.24. They tested the 9 EMA again. They got rejected. We came back down. It went up to test it again. Boom. Got smacked right down. Every time they tested that 9 EMA, they got smacked right back down. Power hour came, tested the 9 EMA. Boom, got smacked right back down. So you guys that's playing Hut, what I want to see with Hut, we closed at about 15.16. I want to see bulls get through 15.25. They can get through 15.25. They can start running to the next level. 15.50, they break that. They can start headed back up. They'll have a strong test at 15.70. Get through that. We're going to keep going up, level to level. What I want to see, if you are a bear, I want to see level at $15 even get taken out. They can take out 15 even, some room to run down. You got 14.73 coming up, and man, they can really start going low if they break that level right there. That's enough for the newbie plays right there. And now we're going to go ahead and dive into the big rollers, SPY, Tesla. We're going to go ahead and jump into SPY. They opened up right here, kind of in the middle at what, 542.40, and then boom, they ran up. They ran all the way up to about 544.62. They got a smack right here at 544.62. Boom, ran that thing back to 541 with that bearish move. But then look at the come up. We got the green candle, the break of the 20, you get the break of the 9 EMA, and then boom, they chopped a little bit, but you see what's going on now? That 9 EMA price action is above the 9 EMA. Once they take over the 9 EMA, they're gonna go in that direction, whether it's up or whether it's down. They tested the 9 EMA, they got rejected. Bulls got that next candle, and boom, it was lights out from that point right there. They checked up for the remainder of a good bit of 2 hours. You got this red candle right there, but that red candle didn't do anything. Bulls went ahead and took that thing all the way back to 547.20. And once we got there, I had a level at 547.25 or something like that. I said that was going to give them issues to get through. I called it out there. I put the alert out there, and sure enough, boom, they ran that thing all the way to the VWAP test. They hit VWAP, and then they ran back up. They went to the 200, and that's where they played at. Kept getting rejected at the 200, and they kept going down. Boom, you see right here? Boom, they hit that 200. Guess what happened next? Boom, ran back down. Tried to run back to the 200 again. Boom, got ran back down. And then you get that last candle, that last 5-minute candle where they tried to run it all the way back up. Those are the games that Wall Street play around power hour. I got a message from somebody in the Discord and was like, hey, Fresh, why does that happen between 3 and 4? Wall Street shenanigans. It's Wall Street games. They are a bunch of crooks. They are in it to take your money. We have to be better than that. We're not giving Wall Street any of our money because we are better than that. We're going to be a step ahead of them. That's why I always say, don't jump in the first red candle you see and say, oh, I'm buying puts. And don't jump in the first green candle you see and say, hey, I'm buying calls. Wait for confirmation before you jump into a play. Because if you don't, you get caught with one of these moves because you bought that green candle and you got that red candle. Boom, gonna smoke your account just like that. And we are not in the business to be giving Wall Street our money. Negative. So what I want to see with SPY, depending on where we open up pre-market, they close at 544.40. I want to see SPY take out 545.45. They can start breaking through those levels right there. We can start coming all the way back up to test 547.20. We break that, we're going to run to 548, 549, 550 areas. On the way down, for the bears, if you're a bear, I want to see 542.75 get taken out. If 542.75 get taken out, we coming down to my next level at 541.70. Got a little turbulence in there. We break through that right there, 541.30. We gonna get smacked right back down to 539.77. And then we'll handle in real time whenever that happens. This area down here at 538.15, we break that, we ready to go low. With some speed, they'll take that to my level at 536.32. And man, we coming down from there. If we get to that point right there. But if not, we stay patient. We're not going to FOMO a play. We'll stay patient and we'll wait for a setup. That's what you should be doing. All right, with Tesla, look what Tesla did on the day. Man, Tesla gave you a roller coaster ride, but it was a fun ride. Right at opening, you see what they did. They came down, they dropped, and then they ran up. You see that candle right there, 20.85, and then boom, they dropped all the way to 215.70ish. My level was at 215.75. And you see 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. They overshot it. 4 touch, 5 touch, 6 touch. They could not break that. The bears could not get through it. If you don't get through it and you don't hold, it's going back the other way. It's a lot of you guys reading the levels and say, oh man, you know, fresh at 215.75. If it breaks it, it's gonna be puts. No, no, no. You have to wait for confirmation, because look at the chart. Look and see. We broke it. We went through it, but what happened? That candle, soon as it tapped past my level, what happened? Bulls ran that thing back up. Yeah, that candle looks like it's all red and everything, but you see the bears shot, and then the bulls ran it back up. The bulls, next candle, they ran it back up. Bears came back into play again, smashed that line again, but look what the bulls did. They ran it back up. So if you get into that play because that candle went up under there, that candle was still open. It didn't close. And if you see where it closed at, it closed above it. That is a invalid play. You are not to enter that play right there. If you are going to enter it, you follow the 3-step process. If it doesn't hold 215.75, it's going up. It tapped it. You get your next candle. That's an invalid candle. The hold, the entry. Boom. Here we go. We're running. We're at 222.19. So if you following that 3 candle break, and again, if you don't get it, you don't get into play. You don't have to get in every play. You got the 1 candle. That's the break of the 9 EMA. The second candle, that's your hold. It held the 9 EMA. We're darn near touching VWAP, my blue line. Here's your entry. Boom. You getting in, you riding that play all the way up. You pick a level that you want to get out of and you stay true to that level. I always have a level that I want to get out of at that certain point, and I don't care how high it go after that, because I'm locking in profit and I'm not going to get smacked right here because I'm thinking it's coming here, or I think it's going to test the 200 and the bears come in and pull that rug off from up under me. I'm not getting caught by this, because I probably got out right around this line right here, 220.75. I didn't catch any of this right here because I know what's going on. And if you read that candle right there, you know what's going on. That candle before that drop right there is a reverse candle, pretty much saying, hey, the green is over with. We coming down temporarily. And that's exactly what they did. Boom. Boom. They chopped for a little bit. And then what happened? We cannot lose the 9 EMA. If you lose the 9 EMA, it's going down. And that's exactly what happened. My yellow line, we lose the 9 EMA and we go down, and then we chop around it up into closing. So if you are a bull, game plan for Monday. If you are a bull, Tesla closed at 219.92. What you want to see, if you bullish, you want to see, I have a level at 2020.75. You want to see that get taken out by the bulls. If they can take out that level, you got this level at 222.21. If you break that level right there, you got some turbulence at 222.60. Break that, they gonna try to make a run all the way to 225.90 before their next area of resistance come into play. So level to level, and this is Tesla. You know Tesla is known for smoking people. Don't get caught up in that. What I want to see, if you are a bear, I want to see a break at 218.80 to the downside. Bears can take out 218.80. They're going to swing all the way back down to my level at 215.75. They break through that level right there. Look, this is where we at again. And they couldn't do it before. And I'm telling you, this is a tip. This is one of those, post to your forehead with the sticky note. If we can get back to this level down here, they gonna smack through that level right there. And you got 215.80 where we at, you gonna see lower levels. They was able to not get through it here. You go all the way back, they got rejected. They could not make it there. You're gonna have a fallen knife type situation if bears can finally figure it out and get through this level at 215.70, 215.75. Will they get there Monday? You don't know. I don't know. Who knows? But pay attention to that area right there, because if the bears start knocking on that door again and they successful with that, hello 210, 208, we're going to start seeing lower numbers in Tesla. So just make sure you jot that down. That's a little tip of information. All right, guys, I done took up enough of your time. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this thing up. But hey, if you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to our channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get notified. And if you like sniper type, level to level, periodic call outs of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, AMD, HUT, go ahead and tap into our Discord. Link is in the description below. You already know we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.